Figured out what the problem was that sounded like it was coming from the primary, so I'm here to show you what it was. Turns out it was the transmission. Lots of metal shavings came out of the transmission. Took the primary case to investigate. The slack was good, the tensioner was brand new, so was the chain, so I had a hard time finding out what it was. Looking in the transmission, there were a ton of shavings, but nothing huge. Ended up removing all the covers on the transmission, but could not see well with the borescope, so it was time to open it up. This is the race that needs to come off. I ordered a tool from Amazon and arrived the next day. Pulled it off pretty easily. The exhaust was difficult to remove, hard to reach. The starter also had a bad gasket, rubber gasket. The transmission upon inspection and running it here, you can hear the click, but still nothing abnormal. Pull the transmission gear case out, and here's what we found out. There is abnormal wear on this side. Right over here, this lip is supposed to look just like this one, and it does not, as well as discoloration on this gear and here. These are all supposed to be the same color as this, and this is a lot darker, and it's most likely due to heat because there's a lot of friction. Something at some point ran low on fluid, or something in between the gears was missing. Those little washers that they have was broken off, and the whole thing shifted one way or the other, and it was causing it to have a lot of friction between the forks, and that's what the discoloration is from. There were a ton of shavings, metal shavings, in the pan. After taking a deeper look, what I found was what I believe is number 9, which number 9 is called a securing segment that sits next to number 8, a ring lock. I found one of number 9 in between the gears that looked like it was shattered, and I believe somehow it got broken into pieces and it fell off, causing all the gears to shift one way or the other, and that is what caused all of the problems.